it's Caroline from Hiking Homesteaders, and we recently bought a bunch of spawn from the North Spore in Portland, Maine, and we're really excited to show you the application process from cutting down the logs to inoculation and watching our very own mushroom farm grow right here on the homestead. So if you'd like to come along with us on this mushroom journey, let's get started. Today we will be inoculating chicken of the woods and shiitake logs. The best time to start your mushroom farm is in late winter or early spring before the tree buds. For these mushrooms, living oak trees are best because they are very dense and offer plenty of nutrition for a longer, sustained fruiting period. But each mushroom is different and each variety may require a different type of wood. Here, Evan is cutting fresh 4-foot log segments for us. Any size logs will work. Small diameter wood will colonize faster, but will not produce for as many seasons as a larger log. We are also harvesting this oak during the maple season, as the circulating sap will provide plenty of moisture and nutrients to keep our mycelium happy. As soon as you cut down your tree, you're running on a clock. You're going to want to inoculate no later than 1 week after cutting down your tree. Let's get this inoculation party started! We are also using a Bauer angle grinder, and this has an auto stop adapter with a 12mm bit. The angle grinder spins at such a high RPM, making the process much faster than with a typical drill. You might want to wear sunglasses at this stage. This is an inoculation tool from the North Spore, and we'll be using this to inject the spawn into our logs today. And here I'm just stabbing the inoculator tool into the mycelium to get a good amount of the sawdust spawn loaded up into the inoculator. And then I'm just injecting it right away into the holes. To get the process done most efficiently, I would recommend having 3 people. 1 person with the angle grinder, 1 inoculating, and a 3rd to seal all the logs with wax. We just had the 2 of us, but this definitely took all day. And here I just took a cotton ball and attached it to a paintbrush and used this to kind of dab the wax on to each hole. The reason we're doing this is to help seal in all the moisture and again just help feed that mycelium, keep it really nice and moist. And then I just had Evan dip the ends of the log in as well to again seal in that moisture. It can be difficult to clean away the wax, so allocating a thrift store crock pot or a junky crock pot is definitely a good idea. We'll be transporting these logs to a partly shaded area in the snow to help keep them nice and moist. If you inoculate in the spring, you might get your first flush of mushrooms in the fall, but most likely it'll take a full year until you see your first fruiting. But the smaller diameter logs and soft hardwoods typically fruit sooner, but they'll have less longevity. These logs will most likely produce mushrooms for 2 to 4 years on average. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found value in it, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel here on the homestead. If you're interested in buying your own spawn and starting your own mushroom farm at home, please check out thenorthspore. I will place their website link in the video description. They're really awesome products, and I also think their YouTube channel is incredibly helpful. I hope you guys have a really wonderful day, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, friends.